If you are selling on Amazon right now, you might be making these two very big mistakes that might be causing you to see bad results or even are affecting your sales. In this video, I'm going to be discussing these two mistakes and I'm going to be talking about the solutions, of course. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the mistakes that I'm going to be talking about in this video are related to your listing or your product page. Of course, your listing and your product page, well, that's very important. That's probably the most important thing other than the product itself, because that's where you can convince a customer to change from just a customer, just a general shopper, to actually a paid customer, somebody that is willing to part with their hard-earned money to purchase your product. That's why your product page is very important. And these two common mistakes might be something that you are making right now, and they are affecting your sales dramatically. Before we jump into it, this is going to be a very fast-paced video. Before we jump into it, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. What we primarily do is we help entrepreneurs, brands and businesses sell their products successfully on Amazon, focusing on the Middle East market. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Leave me a question in the box under this video. Make sure that you like this video as well, because it helps out our channel and it basically tells YouTube that this is a good video. Let's jump into mistake number one. So mistake number one is starting your PPC ads before your listing is optimized. This is something that I see all the time. I'm going to show you an example for sure. But this is very important because, of course, PPC ads are very important for you to put your product in front of customers. Very rarely are you able to sell a product without some form of investment when it comes to PPC ads. However, starting your PPC ads before your listing is fully optimized, that's going to affect your ROAS, it's going to severely increase your ACoS, and it's going to also affect your sales. So you might see a lot of ad spend without seeing any sales, or you might even not see any ad spend, and you just don't understand why your ads are not spending any money. Of course, I see this a lot, and I'm going to show you an example right now on Amazon of a listing that is not really optimized. However, this listing is being advertised and what you need to do if you have the same problem. So this is an example of a product. I honestly and personally think this is a really, really nice product, and the design of it is very clean and simple. However, this type of product, if the seller is actually advertising, definitely no results there, and the conversion is going to be very low. First and foremost, you can see how short the actual title is, and it contains absolutely no keywords. Maybe water bottle plastic is the only keyword. However, it's not even in the first four words of the actual title. And as you can see, we've got only two images, and the main image, which is obviously the most important image of them all, is very low resolution. It's not even zoomable. The second image is maybe slightly better. Actually, this one is zoomable, and it's quite nice. However, this is not enough for someone to be able to purchase a product. Certainly, and especially rather, because the product is being sold at a premium price compared to all of the other, water bottles being sold on Amazon in the UAE. Additionally, it lacks any information. I don't really know how this product is manufactured, what it is made of, what the capacity of it is. It's not really very clear. I only have one bullet point instead of 5, as well as, let's look at the product description. It's just a few sentences that don't really explain a lot about this product. So this type of product is beautiful. It's obviously a very, very nice product. And of course, you might assume that the demand is quite high for this product. However, any listing that looks like this, if you are advertising it, it's not going to give you good results because the keyword research isn't there. The keywords aren't there. The information to explain to Amazon what this product actually is and who might be interested in it, well, that information isn't there. Second of all, customers, the conversion rate is going to be quite low because customers aren't really going to be convinced. Because the thing is, if you look at how an Amazon product page is created, it's actually quite competitive, even inside of your product page. So you've got another product right here, and you've got several other products inside of your listing, even inside of your listing, targeting your actual product. So the idea of all of this is if you don't do a good job, customers are going to easily find another seller that's doing a better job and offering a better product. Now, of course, you can make very important decisions whether or not you're advertising correctly, whether or not you're spending the right amount of money on your ads, and all of that stuff. You can make those decisions based on data. That's very important. Now, if you are not using a profitability tool, basically a software that links to your Amazon account and tells you exactly how much money you're making, exactly how much ad spend you are spending, make sure that you go to our website, our software that we developed, Sellers Society. You can go to our website, sellersociety.io, for two things. Number one, to watch a free masterclass to understand why it's important to analyze this data on a daily basis. And number two, to register for your 7-day free trial so you can use Sellers Society and understand how it can be valuable as a tool for you as an Amazon seller, no matter which marketplace that you're selling on. You'll find all of the information right here. Now, mistake number two, probably if you are starting out on Amazon, this is not going to be a mistake that applies to you. However, if you are brand registered and you do have EBC, I see this mistake all the time. Adding a lot of images into your A+ content and not adding keyword-rich text. The idea of the text that you add into your product page, well, you're adding that text for two main reasons. Number one, the Amazon algorithm. That's why the text needs to be keyword-rich. So all of those keywords are going to explain to Amazon and the Amazon algorithm what this product actually is and who should see this product when they are searching on Amazon. So that's very, very important. And you need to do the same things that you do inside of your bullet points, your title, your backend search terms. You also need to add those vital keywords into your EBC, into your A+ content. Images are fantastic, however, and text inside of your images is also very valuable. However, Amazon cannot read the text inside of your images. You need to make sure that you add text because it's another place where you can add keywords. Make sure, again, that you thumbs up this video, you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you never miss a video that we are putting out. We put out 3 videos a week, lots of content for you to consume and to enjoy. Leave me a question in the section below, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.